Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Auto Cars. The 2025 Nissan GT-R continues to uphold its legacy as a high-performance sports car, blending advanced engineering with refined aesthetics. Under the hood, it houses the renowned 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged VR38 DETT V6 engine, delivering impressive power and torque, ensuring exhilarating acceleration and top speeds. The exterior design maintains the GT-R's iconic silhouette, characterized by sharp lines and aerodynamic contours that enhance both appearance and performance. The front fascia features updated LED headlights and a revised grille, contributing to improved airflow and cooling efficiency. Inside, the cabin offers a driver-centric experience with premium materials and advanced technology. The infotainment system has been upgraded for 2025, providing seamless connectivity and intuitive controls. Supportive seating and meticulous attention to detail create a comfortable environment suited for both spirited drives and daily commutes. The 2025 GT-R continues to utilize a sophisticated all-wheel drive system, ensuring optimal traction and handling across various driving conditions. The suspension has been fine-tuned to balance comfort and responsiveness, offering precise control during high-speed maneuvers. Safety features have been enhanced, incorporating advanced driver assistance systems to provide additional confidence behind the wheel. These include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automated emergency braking, among others. In summary, the 2025 Nissan GT-R remains a testament to Nissan's commitment to performance, innovation, and quality, offering a driving experience that is both thrilling and refined.